Yes, so today we're going to be going through this printed sweatshirts bale from North Pole Vintage. I would lift it up and show you, but not going to lie, I can't. But let's get into unboxing it. God dear me. I hit my elbow. Funny bone. We're finally in, but our first pull out, a Christmas jumper with some very dirty yellow stains. But I think if I can get the stains out, this will sell very well. Bit basic, just like a bird print. This one's quite cool. This one's really sick. I really like the design on this, and as well, I like this, a collared sweatshirt. This one looks interesting. Nestle. Nah, this jumper's so sick. This will do so well. I actually quite like this one myself. Another nice embroidered one. State Police. I think this will do really well. Nice little embroidered thing on it, and it's a police sweatshirt. Oh god, don't want to pull them too hard. A mother can always patch things up. It's quite basic, but it is a really nice print on the sweatshirt. A quarter zip, DI Bruno Bros, Culinary Pioneers. It's a quarter zip though, so I think it will sell very well. This one looks good as well. This has been sick. Tops time, take the pounds off sensibly. This one's another really sick, like nice embroidered one. This one looks a bit questionable though. You're not forgotten. Palmia. What? Not a clue what this is, but really nice print on the front and a big one on the back. This one's pretty dead. Just like a flowery design with a two-tone neck, but this will sell really well. Designer pink piece, but it's got a really big stain on the front. I don't think this will be sellable at all. It's like flowers and like grapes. I think it will do really well though. It looks like a really nice quality jumper as well. I don't want to pull any of them, but it's very hard not to. Ooh, this doesn't look too good. Very stuck together. It says just do nothing on it. It's meant to be funny. It's not very. What is this? This looks like another one of them ones that goes on your shoulders. I think that's another dead one. Another all over print. The all over prints do really well. Jennifer Moore. Oh, it's got a couple yellow stains on it, but quite a nice jumper really. I think all of these are not, they're printed. I got it gassed. I thought they were embroidered. This is like a tweed kind of thing. Oh, it's got a nice design on it. Open water. It's quite a nice like actually material and kind of like, I don't know what to call this. It's almost like tweed, but it's got a really nice design on it as well, so I think it will sell quite well. A funny looking printed sweatshirt. I don't see the print on there. I really like the, oh no, don't like the look of it anymore. Oh, don't want to pull it too hard. Come out. Don't be a wise guy. I think this one speaks for itself. It's like a dress as well. I only paid £50 for this, so really, even if I only get 10 to 15 pieces, I'll 100% make my money back. Really, I can make it back off 2 or 3 bangers. This one's really cool. It's got like Chinese writing on the back. Tampa Goes Chinese Club. It's a really sick design. I really like this. If this doesn't sell, I'm going to be keeping this one. Quite a few stains on this one. Pretty bad stains as well. Everything in life is beautiful. Oh, I don't want to pull them. It's so hard. This is a really nice one. These ones with a two-tone neck and the print on the front will sell really well. I've already had a couple and they sell quite quickly. It's normally this brand Morning Sun that does them, but it's a really nice jumper. Another quarter zip. Nice. Alaska Zubadam. Not a clue. But it's a really nice jumper. It's good quality as well. Like a really thick, nice one. Billabong tie-dye. I don't think this will do too well though. Bored AF, but it does have some really bad stains on the back. But the thing is, with a lot of these stains, they might even just come out in the wash. But who's feeling this in lockdown? Drop me a comment down below if you are. I'm not even going to try and peel this one apart. You see how stuck together it is. And another one, it's just too stuck together to even bother, and there's so much crack into the print. This one's got sequins on it. Flawless. It's not very good. I've wanted to get this jumper out for so long. Another collared jumper with a really nice like pattern design on it. This is all embroidered. I think this will sell really well if there's no stains on it. This looks like a nice embroidered one. Working together to rebuild the flood of 97. This is quite a cool jumper, and as well, if it is from 1997, that's even something more cool. I think it is quite an old one because of the Fruit of the Loom tag looks like an old one. Another instant bin pile. Got excited. It was another two-tone jumper, but once again, it's a Christmas jumper. It's the start of the year. Who wants a Christmas jumper? No one. A homecoming jumper. I see why they got rid of it though. It looks like they've been sliding about in mud. I don't know if this was Toomey's or this this is the place of it, who knows? Another person that's been sliding about in the grass. WM with a nice little embroidered thing on it. It's not too impressive, but it will sell. Pure Indigo Bonjour. Not really too sure what that means, to be honest, but it's quite a nice jumper with a really big print. Another Christmas jumper. This will sell really good at Christmas, but once again, not at the start of the year. I've been eyeing this one up for a long time. I really hope it doesn't disappoint. Irish to the bone. It didn't disappoint. It's such a sick jumper. I think that's another one that will do really well. Another one with a two-tone neck, but this has got a really nice two-tone neck and a really nice like flowery design on it. I think this will sell really well. If it's snowing, I'm not going. What? I don't really know what context you're going to apply it to, but at the moment it's snowing, so that's quite a coincidence. Another two-tone neck. Oh, it's Halloween. It's a sick jumper, but it's not Halloween as well, just like it's not Christmas. And there's some really like, oh, it's made me cringe. Just a little print on this one. These ones don't tend to sell too well, so I might just keep this one for myself. I think this will be hitting the bin pile as well. A Niagara Falls Canada quarter... What? Niagara Falls Canada quarter zip vest. It's a bit of a strange one, but I think just because it's Niagara Falls, I think it will sell. Not bossy, just better. I think they're probably just bossy. Another Christmas jumper, but this one actually looks quite cool. This one's got like wires on the inside. I've just tried it and I don't think it works, so I don't think I'll be able to sell it. Everything's just falling on the floor. Another quarter zip. Caesars, if this is like Caesar's Palace, it's quite a nice jumper. It's another really good quality one. It's like a college, like NFL jumper. It's a bit of a weird one, but 100% think it will sell well. Another funny looking printed one. This is like an old farmhouse. It's got printed on this one. It's another really cool one. Oh, don't say it's a Christmas one. Please don't. The little snowman at the bottom had to come along and ruin it, but it's a really nice jumper. I think this could do really well. It hurts. It actually hurts. It's a two-tone neck, but once again, it's another Christmas jumper. But when it comes to Christmas jumper, I'm going to be raking it in. I really like the purple on that one, though. Another two-tone neck one, but I think this is kind of like another Christmas one, but you can get away with it not being Christmas. Bimbo Libya or something like that. Not a clue, but I think it will sell quite nice, though. It's quite a nice embroidered print. Another two-tone neck, but this is quite a cool design. 3 little like bird boxes. That will sell well. I think I'll 100% make my money back on this without a doubt. This is really nice, like a floral kind of design. It's like a really thick print. Another really cool jumper, but once again, it's not Christmas. When it does come to Christmas, once again, I'm going to be raking it. It's going to be a long wait though. The number 8, bit of a dead one. Another like quarter zip with this like floral design on the bottom. I think this will sell really nice. Another one that sits on your shoulders. I'm not interested. I don't think this is actually an army sweatshirt, even though it does say army on it. I think it could sell all right though. An all over like floral print. I think that will sell well. It's got a bit of a weird neck and it's a really, no, don't fall. And it's a really small size, but I think it could sell well. Fred. 1986. The FredSociety.com from 1986. It does look like it's from 1986 though. But hopefully once I throw it through the wash, some of the stains might come out. Another really nice like floral print on this one. I think that will sell well. Like a floral turtleneck. I don't think it will sell too well, but I think it will sell all right. Yes, another two-tone neck. And it's not a Christmas one, but it is kind of like a Christmas one. But I think this will sell really well. I don't understand. It doesn't make sense to me. These like weird things that sit on your shoulder, and as well, why would you have a pocket like this on a crew neck? It just doesn't make sense. Another Christmas jumper. Once again, it's not Christmas, but when it does come round to it, it will be well good. Beach with this dirty stain on the side. I won't be keeping that. And for the very last jumper of the bale, and it's a bit of a dead one, but I do hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I just got out of this bale. 100% think this was worth it. Once again, this was from North Pole Vintage. It was only £50, so I'm 100% going to make my money back. But if you did enjoy this unboxing, please drop this video a like. It'd be so appreciated if you could do that. It really helps my channel well, and it helps me out. But if you did enjoy this video, please drop it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.